the fourth exercise is called Hope. You begin with your hands in front of your center. You stream down to the floor, connect with the earth. You form a sort of bowl with your arms. Feel the back, all the forces behind. Feel the light in the space. After a while, you let your arms go. They rise nearly by themselves. And up there, you slowly turn your hands, that the backs of the hands touch each other. And then you bring them down slowly, slowly. And you end down with your hands, and your chest feels wide and big, despite of the small arms. And when you let go, you can feel the power of your breath. We do it a second time. We go down, connect with the earth. We form this bowl using the forces of the earth. Feel the light behind us. Let the arms go. Let the back of the hands meet. And lead the straight arms slowly downwards. And your feeling in your chest stays big, wide and healthy. Hope is a soul attitude which I develop when I, in a way, don't have the capacity to care for myself anymore and I need help from somewhere else. I address forces from the outside. Some people coming to help me, to rescue me, or luck, which comes and solves a problem, a financial problem, or maybe other beings, health. But in a way, we do it together now. But we are aware, now we are addressing something bigger. And through this, in eurythmy, we always want to integrate the earth. We just say hello to the earth. Because we beings, we go through the earth. And with the forces of the earth, we create this bowl, a crystal bowl, in which we receive the light from the space behind. The space behind symbolizes light forces. Then we let go. Bring left and right together. Turn the hands. And inwardly, slowly go down. And end again in front. The weight more on the toes than on the heels. With this exercise, we try to bring energy from above through us, penetrating warmth and light, the body, and in order to strengthen, to bring this warmth qualities which a body needs to be elastic and create health. And normally, the forces which come from above, they just are more like this. But if we form this bowl, these forces can come down inwardly. That's what we try. So we go down from the heart to the earth. We open this bowl And now we even use our toes. Slightly pull your toes up to support this. Then let go. Turn your hands. The feeling of the bowl, your body is still this bowl, where warmth can penetrate through the body, down into your feet. And the breath, the chest feels big, nourished from within.